Hello everyone! Welcome back to Let's Learn. Have you ever seen an Excel dashboard where you simply click a button, like California or Texas, and both the chart and the table update instantly? It looks professional, interactive, and many people think it requires complicated formulas or VBA programming. But the good news is, it doesn't. Today, I'm going to show you how to create this dynamic dashboard using only Excel's built-in features. By the end of this video, you'll know how to convert data into an Excel table, create professional charts instantly, add interactive slicers, customize charts, and make your dashboard presentation ready. So let's get started. Step 1. Understanding the dataset. Before creating the dashboard, let's quickly understand our data. Here I have a simple sales data set. The first column contains the year. Next is the state. And finally, we have the sales amount.
Our data includes 4 states: California, Florida, New York, and Texas. Each state has sales data from different years. Imagine your manager asks, "Can you show me only California's sales?" Or perhaps, "Can you compare Texas sales over the years?" Instead of filtering manually every time, we'll create a dashboard that does everything with one click. Sounds impressive, right? Let's build it together. Step 2. Convert data into table. The first step is converting our data into an Excel table. Why? Because Excel tables automatically expand whenever you add new records. That means if next month you add more sales data, your dashboard will also expand automatically. No need to update formulas or chart ranges. Let's do it. Select the entire dataset. Press Ctrl+T. Excel asks whether your table has headers. Since my dataset already contains column names, I'll keep My Table Has Headers checked. Then click OK. Great. Our data is now an official Excel table. You can recognize it by the filter arrows and the default table formatting. Alternatively, you can create a table from the Insert tab by selecting Table. Step 3. Create the chart. Now, let's create our chart. Click anywhere inside the table. Instead of going through multiple menus, simply press Alt plus F1. Excel instantly creates a column chart. Isn't that amazing? Move the chart above the table and resize it. This will become the main visualization of our dashboard. If you don't like the default color, don't worry. Select the chart, go to the Chart Design tab. Choose Change Colors. Pick any color combination you prefer. You can even match your company branding. Step 4. Explore chart options. Excel provides many chart styles. Let's explore a few. Under Change Chart Type, you can switch to Bar Chart, Line Chart, Area Chart, or even 3D Column Chart. Each chart tells the story differently. For yearly comparisons, column charts work really well. If you want to show trends over time, line charts are often the better choice. There's another useful option called Quick Layout. Quick Layout automatically rearranges chart titles, legends, axis labels, and data labels. Try different layouts and choose the one that looks best. Another interesting feature is Switch Row and Column. Click it once. Notice how Excel reorganizes the chart. Instead of comparing years, it compares categories differently. Sometimes this provides a much clearer presentation. Don't skip this next step. This is what turns a normal Excel chart into a fully interactive dashboard that looks impressive in meetings. Step 5. Create the interactive dashboard. Now comes my favorite part. This is what transforms an ordinary chart into an interactive dashboard. Click anywhere inside your Excel table.
Go to the Table Design tab, click Insert Slicer. Excel displays every column heading. Since I want users to filter by state, I'll choose State. Then click OK. A slicer appears. Because I have 4 states, I'll change the number of columns to 4. Now all buttons appear in one row. Resize the slicer and place it neatly above the chart. Now watch this carefully. I'll click California. Boom! The table immediately filters. The chart also changes automatically. Let's click Texas. Again, everything updates instantly. Now, Florida. Everything updates instantly. Now, New York. Every click refreshes both the chart and the table. This is why dashboards built with slicers look so professional. Let me share 3 bonus tips. First, if your slicer buttons look too small, right-click the slicer. Choose Size and Properties. Here, you can adjust the button height and width. Second, want a different color? Select the slicer, open the Slicer tab, choose any built-in style. You can select light colors, dark colors, or colorful themes. This helps your dashboard match your company branding. Finally, if you want to increase the font size of your slicer, go to the Slicer tab on the ribbon. Right-click your active slicer style in the gallery and select Duplicate. Then, in the Modify Slicer Style dialog box, ensure Whole Slicer is selected under the Slicer element list. Then click Format. Now, adjust the font formatting. In the Font Settings window, change the font size to 16 and set the style to bold. You can also change font style if you want. Click OK to save the font changes. To apply the custom style, click OK to save your new style. Finally, click on your slicer and select your modified custom style from the Slicer Styles gallery. Congratulations! You've just learned how to create a professional, interactive Excel dashboard using tables, charts, and slicers. No VBA, no complicated formulas, just powerful built-in Excel features. This technique is perfect for sales dashboards, business reports, HR reports, financial analysis, inventory tracking, executive presentations. If you enjoyed today's tutorial and learned something new, please like this video, share it with your friends and colleagues, and subscribe to Let's Learn for more Microsoft Excel, Word, and PowerPoint tutorials every week. If there's another Excel dashboard or chart you'd like to learn, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Happy learning! Bye!